Alright, this adventure takes us to snowy New Hampshire. It's snowing outside.
Flurries are falling.
See it up there? Can't really see. Henry's first or second state. We get some barbecue.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go shopping. Smokehaus BBQ. We might get the Dino burger. Snoozing as usual. It's what's left of the Dino bone. That's what left of her pulled pork. Nothing. The sauce. Extremely hot. That one, not so bad. That has a nice kick. And little Tommy would love that bone. The little guy, still sleeping. Well, we just had some delicious barbecue at Smokehaus in Amherst, New Hampshire. We are now heading to the Mall of New Hampshire here in Manchester. Little guy, we're feeding him in the back while he ran into the gas station real quick. But definitely check out Smokehaus in Amherst, New Hampshire. It's a small little place, so you may have to wait a little bit before you find a table. You can take some takeout. There's a little teeny bar and there's plenty of outdoor seating. So I'm assuming in the summertime there's plenty of space outside. So we're definitely going to check that out next summer adventure up here for passing through. Wait till the warmer outside than the outside, but he seemed to enjoy his barbecue. Poor guy can't have barbecue yet. But now we're heading to the Mall of New Hampshire. We're going to check this out. I haven't been to the Mall of New Hampshire in probably 6-7 years. Not a dead mall, but the biggest mall in the state. So we're going to see what's going on here. And if anything's changed over the last probably, I don't know, 8 years or so. So, that's it. Here we go. Alright, we're at third location for today.
Exploring a
We're
dead
gonna
mall.
explore a demo. This will be on the next video. We're not gonna do this on this video, but we just left the other mall.
I think it is
that one.
officially snowing. I don't think this snow's coming.
Yeah. Sorry, it's snowing out. We're in the mountains. We're in Concord, New Hampshire.
They still have Merry Christmas signs up.
The city's
Talk
really-
about redneck.
They got candy canes, Merry Christmas, and all that stuff. Still on the street, less signs. But yeah, we're gonna explore this mall. This will be real quick. Then we're gonna head back to Massachusetts. And the other
With
mall
all
was
the skiers.
the other mall was a dying mall. The Mall of New
Yes.
Hampshire is definitely a dying mall. We'll probably be there in 3 years
All
as
the
it's a dead mall.
stores were full,
Yep.
but you don't have good stores.
And we also got Cinnabon because we can't find any Cinnabons anymore. So we got cinnamon mocha lattes and we got Cinnabuns that we're gonna have for breakfast all week, which are terrible for you, but they taste so good. And that's it. So that was our explore of barbecue in the Mall of New Hampshire. So make sure you subscribe and like and comment and hit the alarm.
And follow.
And follow. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.